In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add CDC Action Zone Indicators in TradingView Pro, quick and easy guide. Let's jump straight into it. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. Any chart or time frame will work for this process, so just pick the market you usually trade or analyze. At the top of your chart, you'll see a toolbar that runs horizontally. Look for the button labeled Indicators. It's usually near the middle of that top bar. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where you can search for and add any built-in or community script to your chart, including the CDC Action Zone. Once the Indicators window opens, you'll see a search bar at the top of that panel. Click on the search box to activate it. This lets you quickly find specific tools instead of scrolling through long lists. In that search bar, start typing CDC Action Zone. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below. You should see the CDC Action Zone Indicator appear in the list. Make sure you select the correct one that matches the name exactly, and then click on it once. As soon as you do, the indicator will be added to your chart, and you'll notice new visuals or color zones overlaying your candles. Now that the CDC Action Zone Indicator is on your chart, look for its name either directly on the chart or in the data box at the top left, where indicators are listed. Next to the name, there will be a small gear icon. Click on that gear icon to open the settings for the CDC Action Zone. In the settings window, you can fine-tune how the indicator behaves and looks. This is where you can adjust inputs like lengths or smoothing, and also change colors and style if you want the zones to stand out more clearly on your chart. Take a moment to explore these options and make the indicator match your trading style and visual preferences. When you're happy with the changes, click OK or close the window. If at any point you decide you don't want the CDC Action Zone on your chart, open the same settings area again and choose the Remove option. That will delete the indicator from your chart instantly, without affecting any of your other drawings or tools. Finally, if you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet and you want access to more indicators, more charts, and an overall smoother experience, use the link in my description to sign up. That way you can follow along with all my future tutorials using the same tools and layout.